Okay, so check this out. I'm going to show you this clip real quick. Just tell me what you see. Anything? Let's rewind. Anything? Okay, so this was one of those instances. I was just performing an inspection pass before taking it into this meadow. And this one barely could even see. But when I went back and looked, look at this guy. Almost took him to the windshield, which if I look down at the shadow, let's see, this little guy here in front of the prop is his shadow. So you can see if I go back, there he is, one more. So you can see that shadow move here, here. Wild. And I don't even know if he, based on that shadow, like right at the edge of that prop. Decent sized little guy. And then just misses the prop, misses the leading edge, and boom, hits the underside of the wing. And of course bounces off the flap as it's down there. I actually went back and looked for him. I couldn't find him. Hopefully he flew away and got startled. But these are the things on these inspection passes. If you watch, I'll rewind a little bit. I mean, I barely even flinched. Did catch him out of the corner of my eye, but oops. Decent size. Anyway, watch out for birds.